This is the Avid Faucet from Kohler, and I'd like to tell you a bit about how we came about designing it. The story behind this is all about simplicity in a modern world, and recognizing that simplicity is important. We like that. There's a lot of simple products around us, and we like the fact that you can use them in modern environments, you can use them in classic environments. They give us that flexibility. But because of that, there's thousands of products around. And at Kohler Company, we stand for originality. We stand for leading edge thinking, leading edge design. So we recognized in doing this, we couldn't follow anyone. We had to look for something new. So in doing that, we went back to the very beginning about what is simplicity, what is minimalism. And it isn't necessarily just about geometry, just about functionality. It can also just be about reduction and sophisticated simplicity, sensuous simplicity. And that led us to our inspiring thought about this faucet. How do we create modern minimalism that has a human side to it? And that humanity led us to the design you see today. We were looking for those touches that gave it softness, gave it a human touch, but still within a hugely simple, refined overall geometry. And so that's why you see what we have here. We started from that simple idea of this is metal pulled out from the surface and stretched forward to present the water to you. And so you see that shape stretching from the surface and stretching up towards the end of the spout, narrowing, tapering gracefully along its length. That gave us a silhouette that we thought was where we needed to be. But now, in order to control the water, to control this product, we had to find a way to create an interaction that didn't destroy that simplicity and that sensuous shape. And so as we looked at this, we found that just by separating the surface off the top of the product and lifting it ever so subtly, we could create this beautifully simple product. So our teams worked very closely together to really look at how the cartridge is assembled into the product, the angles of all those interfaces, such that as you use this product, the lever simply slides over the back, never destroying the overall effect of the aesthetic. And that became a defining characteristic, because the flow of the product isn't destroyed, isn't disturbed by the functionality. And that's the sort of standard we always seek within the Kohler products. And that's what truly defines the sensuous simplicity of Avid.